Hello everyone, this is Kavitha from G.K.Jain school. Today I am going to teach a computer science subject for the class 6. Today we are going to discuss the problem solving technique. First, we have to know what is problem. In our daily life, we are facing lot of problems. For each problem, we have to take a decision. Based on the problem, we have to take any one decision to solve the problem. Like that, in computer languages also, we need to solve a problem. To solve a problem, we need some technique in computer languages. For that, we are going to see the problem solving technique. Under the problem solving technique, we have 4 steps. First one is planning and thinking. Next, algorithm, flowchart and program writing. These are the 4 steps that involved in problem solving technique. Okay. First technique is planning and thinking. In order to solve a problem in computer, we have to understand the problem first. We have to understand the problem clearly. Then after that, we have to analyze the nature of the problem. First understand the problem and next one is analyze the nature of the problem. After that only we have to plan and determine the steps to solve the problem. There are 3 things we have to consider while planning and thinking. To solve a problem, we need to first understand the problem and then analyze the nature of the problem. After that, plan and determine the steps to solve the particular problem. Okay? The second technique is algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure written in simple form to solve a problem. This is a step-by-step procedure written in simple form, simple English language. We are writing this algorithm in simple English language, but it is a step-by-step process. We have to give each and every step clearly. So then this is known as algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure written in simple form to solve any problem. Here we have given guidelines to write an algorithm. We have to consider it in our mind when we are writing an algorithm. See, first one is output should be decided clearly. We have to decide the output, what should be comes after running our program, what output should be needed by ourselves. That is decided at the beginning. Before writing an algorithm, we have to decide this output. Each step of our algorithm should be written clearly, specifying each task. Each step of our algorithm should be written clearly, specifying each task. Okay, next one is we should that algorithm should be arranged in a proper sequence. That is step by step. To get a desired output, the algorithm should be arranged in proper sequence. These are the 3 guidelines we have to keep in our mind before writing an algorithm. What are they? The output should be decided at the beginning before writing an algorithm. Then each step stating each task clearly. Each step of our algorithm should specify each task clearly. Next, it should be arranged in proper sequence. An algorithm should be arranged in proper sequence to get a desired output. Now we will discuss it with an example. Okay. This is an example for writing an algorithm. Algorithm to find profit or loss. This S is sales. Okay. Here we have used S. Thus that means sales. 1. Start. We have to give start like this to start our algorithm. Next step is step 2, input S. That is, we are going to get an input from the user. The step 2 specifies that we are going to get an input from the user. Next, step 3. Here we are checking a condition, that is, if S is less than or equal to 5000, we are going to print loss. If this condition gets false, we are going to print a profit. Okay. After that, the final step is stop. This start and stop, we have to compulsorily we have to give this start and stop in each and every algorithm. So first one is we are starting an algorithm that specifies start, and step 2 input as this specifies we are getting an input from the user. Next, step 3, we are checking a condition here. If this condition gets true, print loss will be printed. If this condition gets false, this else part, else, print profit will be printed. Okay, this is the manner how to write our algorithm. Next problem solving technique is flowchart. This is pictorial representation of the steps involved in problem solving. This is one of the steps we are going to do in our problem solving. That is, we are going to represent the problem solving steps in a pictorial format, that is picture format. For flowchart denotes the picture format of the algorithm. Next, this is helpful when writing our programs. When we are writing a program, this flowchart will be helpful, and at the same time it is very helpful when explaining it to others. If you are going to explain it to others, means this flowchart will be helpful comparing with the algorithm. And we have some standard symbols used to represent each action of our steps. Okay, we have standard symbols to represent each action from the program. Next, standard symbols of flowcharts. These are the standard symbols that we are using in our flowcharts. This first one is oval shape. This shape denotes to start or stop our process. This oval shape denotes to start or stop our process. Next, this is parallelogram shape. This shape denotes input and output. That is, when we are going to get an input from the user, we have to use this box. Like that, when we are going to print the sum result, we have to use this parallelogram box. Next, this is a processing shape, rectangle. This shape denotes the processing. That if you are adding two numbers, means adding two numbers and saving it to another variable. For that processing, we have to use this box. Next one is connector. This is used when we are writing a big program. We need to draw a flow chart in page by page. We took plot of pages to draw this flow chart. At that time, we use this connector from one page to another page. Here we have to give the connecting number or connecting variable. Next one is this arrow symbol. This arrow symbol denotes flow of the program. How the program is going to flow. Is this going to flow downwards, or is this going to flow in skipping the sum statement? Like that type of flowing will be shown by this arrow. The arrow is in upwards, downwards, and left and right. Okay, next one is decision making. This diamond symbol denotes the decision making statement. For whenever, if in the algorithm we have seen one small steps, in that step we have made a decision based on the condition, if sales less than or equal to 5000, print, we have done no, like that type of decision, when taking a decision we have to use this symbol, that is diamond symbol. Next, this symbol is used for looping a structure. This symbol used to looping structure. Looping structure means to repeat some action again and again, we have to use this symbol. These are all the things about the flow chart. This is an example how to draw a flow chart. For each flow chart, we need to give the start and start symbol using this oval. Using this oval shape, we have to give the start and start symbol. After that, what is the second step given in our algorithm should be given, that is input S. Input means what? You are getting an input from the user. For that purpose, we have to use this parallelogram. Next, each and every shape should get this arrow mark, because this denotes the flow of our control. Flow of our program is denotes by this symbol. So you should not leave this without this symbol. Next step is condition. For condition or decision making, we are going to use this symbol. So they have used if condition, then if this condition is true, print loss will be printed. If this condition is false, then that is this condition is true, this will be printed. If condition is false, this will be printed. After printing this statement or this statements, the program going to get over. For that, we have given here as a stop. Okay, these symbols should be given. This arrow mark, compulsorily we have to give this arrow mark. Without the arrow mark, we cannot know the flow of our program. Fourth step is program writing. This is the final step in our problem solving technique. Here we have to convert the flow chart into computer understandable form or manner. We are going to convert the flow chart. We have draw a flow chart for problem. No, that flow chart is going to be converted in a computer understandable manner. If you are giving as a flow chart, the computer cannot understand. For that purpose, we are going to convert to a computer understandable manner. That is known as program. What is program? Program is a collection of statements written in computer language. The program will be written in any one of the computer language. It is set of collection of statements. This is all about the problem solving technique. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you want more videos about educational, you please subscribe our channel G.K.Jain Schools. Thank you all. Meet you soon in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.